Hello guys and welcome to the Rusty Ratchets. This is the tool haul unboxing videos. On this series of videos we're gonna have a lot of these. This is where you guys have the first look of the tools that I bought for the project. It's going to be some normal tools like you see over here, and some specialty tools that I don't have but I need for the project. So like for this first episode we have a few tools that I bought. So how it goes is that I will be buying these tools as I need them. So let's say I need to do some brake pad repair or something, then I'll buy the tools needed for that one. And I'm mostly like special tools that I'm going to use for that certain project. So we're going to be collecting a lot of specialty tools and hopefully a lot of normal tools as well, like sockets and ratchets and pry bars and whatnot. Alright, for the first tools we have 3/8 drive sockets. We have them in deep and shallow. Since I don't have any 3/8 drive sockets, so I buy this one as a set. These ones are top tools. I really love them. I think they are really good and the quality is really nice, as you can see. And they are very affordable for the price. For the quality they are very affordable. And this set, we have a metric set which starts from 7mm to 19mm, but I think it skips, to 21mm. It skips 18 and 20, but for the whole set it's quite complete for what you need. And this one is the shallow ones that I bought. All of them are 6 points, by the way. I don't think I need double 12 points sockets for the purpose of the project. Most of the bolts and nuts are in 6 points. So this one is also the same, metric from 7 to 21, but it skips 18 and 20. For the price, I will put it somewhere over here so you guys can have a look. By the way, I really like top tools. I think most of the tools are very good. This one is for opening axle hub nuts, and this is the only one that I bought. That is 12 points. Yeah, size 32. This one is 1/2 inch drive. I bought it at a hardware shop, 37 ringgit 50 cents. The next one we have is it's a breaker bar and some sockets. This one I bought it separate because you can see this one is to complement the set, which is 20 and 18 in shallow and in deep, 18 and 20. But as you can see on the 20mm, the finish of the satin finish is not that good. As you can see, it's really different. And this one is much more shinier, this one is much more duller. And there are several differences over here, but I guess it's an old stock And this one is the newer stock, this one is the older stock. That's what I think, but I think it should works perfectly fine. These are the top tool again. Oh, this one is quite long. It's 18 inches breaker bar and 1/2 inch drive. Since I don't have any power tools, I do really need this one so that I can open mostly to open tires, because I don't have any power tools and I have to put an extension behind a wrench just to open them, just to have enough torque to open them. So this one will be very, very handy to have around. The next one I bought is it's top tool. Again, you guys can guess, I really like top tool. It's this brake caliper brush. Yeah, I don't have any brush to go with, but I think this one is good enough to clean up brake, rear brake mostly, the the hub of the rear brakes, and to clean whatever they need. These two are the last one that I bought. They are not anything special, but they are jacking tools, or jack pad, sorry, for use on the jacks. So because these Saga BLM have those pinch well body or undercarriage or whatever, I'm not really sure what the name is, but you need this slot so you can properly support the weight of the car when it's on jack. I have this one for the floor jack that I bought. Funny story, that floor jack I bought, I used it for a while, then I had to return it because it was leaking all over the place. It still works fine, but because of the leak I have to return it. I don't want to end up with a broken tool after a while. So yeah, I'm in the market to look for a new jack to be used. This one is the same purpose, but to be used on the jack stand. It's a bit different. It's to fit on the fork or the pad. It's like that on a jack pad. So I have 1, 2, 3. Supposed to have 4 of them. Yeah, I guess 3. So this are all the tool hauls that I bought for this first episode. More will be coming soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you can leave me a comment down below, see any improvement that I can do, or any things that you like to see, or in different format, just let me know. So this has been interesting first video, so I'll see you guys soon. So have a good day, we'll see you again.